Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the room that I'm staying at Royalton Chic. I'm in Punta Cana right now, so I figured why not give you guys a tour so that if you guys are interested in booking or coming out to the Dominican Republic, then you would at least know what my room looked like when I came out here. And I'm going to give you all of my tips and my reviews throughout this entire stay in Punta Cana. But if you didn't know, I do own a travel agency, so if you do want me to book you an all-inclusive resort vacation anywhere, I can do that for you, and all my contact information is going to be listed below in the description. But let's get into this room tour. So we're going to start right here at the closet, guys. So it is a sliding door closet. Oh, let me show you the mirror. So it does have a mirror. That's my husband. I don't know if he's trying to not get in the shot or not. But I love this because the mirror allows you to be able to see your outfits. It's full body. You know, everybody likes that when they're going on vacation, to make sure that your fit looks nice. But if you slide this door open, the space is not huge, but it's enough, right? Like you're on vacation, you can take your stuff out of the suitcase, put it in the drawers, and then this is kind of where you can store it. They have a top shelf for extra storage as well. And I knocked the umbrella down, but it does come with the umbrella, and that's always nice when a resort gives you an umbrella so that you have that in case it rains, because you know we're in the tropics, so it's, you know, bound to rain at some point, but fingers crossed it doesn't. And then if we slide this side here, we have the safe here, and then on my backpack is actually covering up the iron, but they do give you an iron so you don't have to worry about bringing your steamer or anything like that. There's some extra drawers for you here, some hangers, and then extra blankets and pillows if you need it. And then of course you can hang up your clothes. I never really use the laundry services when I go to resorts, but if that's something that you're interested in, you could obviously opt to that. They do have it. I'm sure you have to pay for it. It's not all inclusive, but that's the closet area. So it's small, it's cute, it's functional, it does what we need it to do. Now this bathroom, I've heard, well, before I show you this bathroom, I've heard a lot of different, mixed reviews about the bathroom in this standard room. So I'm staying in a standard room. I didn't pay for Diamond Club because I just, I weighed the pros and the cons, and it just really didn't make sense to me because me and my husband are not drinkers anymore. So, really didn't care about the premium liquor. Now going Diamond Club does give you a bigger room, but also, like I said, it's all about preference. My husband and I knew that we would not be in the room majority of the time anyway, so I'm going to show you the room and let you know how it's working out for us. Now the bathroom, I've heard many different perspectives on it. It is small, but to my surprise, so far it's been functional and we've been able to make it work. So we're both going to try to fit in here, I guess. So this one right here is actually the shower. So this is the shower door. It's a stand-up shower. There's also a waterfall shower head up here as well. And then they also have the peek through window, whatever you want to call that, into the bedroom. So just keep that in mind if you're staying with somebody who's not really that close to you, or it's not like a significant other or somebody that you're really comfortable with. Just keep that in mind. They can see when you're taking a shower. So simple shower. Like I said, that's the space. So here is the toilet. It's also sectioned off. You guys know what the toilet looks like, so that's that. The only thing I would say about it is that it's not closed off all the way to the top. So there's a space here at the top. I know some resorts, it'll go all the way up, so you really have that privacy when you're going to the bathroom, but it doesn't have that, okay? And then as far as the vanity section here, there is only one sink in the standard room. So like I said, so far it's working for us. We just take turns coming in the bathroom. And I'm gonna tell you that one of the things that I think is really gonna work out in this room when it comes to me getting ready and my husband also getting ready, I'm gonna show you that in a minute. But this is the sink. It looks like it comes with some body lotion, hand towels, the soap that they provide, just really basic things, nothing crazy. And then for the ladies or the guys, if you're shaving or whatever, it does have the magnified LED mirror as well for doing your makeup. I didn't even notice that before, so that's really cool. Something I did want to mention is this bathroom is not closed off. So you won't have that privacy of being able to close the door if you're staying in the standard room. I'm not sure if that's the same for the Diamond Club room, but I will ask and leave it below in the comments. But just know in the standard room, you can't close off the bathroom door. So that's another thing to think about when it comes to privacy, okay? So moving into the room, guys, they have this little area here, whatever you call this. I call this the suitcase area where you set your suitcase. They have tons of drawers in here, more storage, everything like that. Same thing, storage, your TV, all that right there. Now on this side is a nightstand. They actually have two on both sides, of course. And they have this nice mirror here where you can actually almost see your full body. I guess it depends on how tall you are. I'm 5'10", so I can almost see my feet. But this is also, you know, I guess you can consider a full body mirror. But this is what the setup looks like. The decor is very modern. It's very chic. Get the name, Royalton Chic. I like that they have the LED light on the floor, so that's really cool. It's just a nice, it's giving me very cool tone vibes, very relaxing, and just so far it's giving me a comfortable space. Now in here, it's just more storage. And then the mini fridge is actually right here. It comes with just, you know, your standard soda, some Pepsis, 7-Up, whatever the local beer brand is here, that's in there too, and then some water. And that stuff is all included in the all-inclusive stay. You do have your own coffee pot in your room, so that's nice. Now on the TV, the bellhop who brought us to our room, he showed us how to work the TV. It's going to show like the activities that they're doing on the resort while you're here, the different information that you need for like the restaurants, and just any questions you may have about what's going on campus, then that's going to be on the TV. Sorry if you just heard a bus go by. That was a really loud bus. But anyway, so everything will be on the TV in case you need to know that. There's another nightstand. Now this is what is going to save my marriage on vacation. So because that bathroom is so small, I've been standing here doing my makeup and it's been working out perfectly fine. You have window lights, so ladies, you know, natural light. It's one of the best lights you can do your makeup in anyway. So I really like that they have this huge mirror right here to allow you to be able to see your outfit, do your makeup, whatever you need to do, just in case somebody else is taking this space in the bathroom. Next, guys, right next to the bed, they have a lounge area where you can kind of just sit out and chill. They have this little table here that kind of comes over. This was always funky for me if you're tall. Like my legs are obviously not going under there, but I could sit beside it, maybe eat breakfast or work on my computer, whatever I need to do. So that's a nice little cool place to lay out when you're coming from being at the beach or the pool and you're really hot and just need to chill for a minute, but you don't want to get your bed dirty. So I do like that. Now coming over here, this is a drink we already had, so I'll just grab that now. But this table here is also really cool because I'm tall, my husband is tall, and I actually prefer tall tables. I like tabletops like this. I like the high chairs. It's just more comfortable for me with having long legs. So I do like this. And as you guys know, I am here working, so I'm sure I'll be sitting here getting some work done for sure. Had to really put my back into opening this door. So guys, we do have a balcony here on the standard room section as well. It's not huge, but I've been in smaller. Okay, this is a nice size. They actually have a hanging rack here if you need to dry your swimsuit, and then they have two chairs here. Now, you might have to get creative with both of you guys getting into the chair because it's a little cramped, but I'm sure if you move the table out of the way, it will be just fine. Okay guys, so that's the tour of this room. If you have any questions or you want me to book this room for you, all my information is going to be linked below in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one.